Hi, I'm David Phelps, the CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Question I often get is, hey, David, should I own my own practice real estate? Or I want to own my practice real estate. Should I make that a goal? Well, I think that's a valid question. Most people understand that real estate is inherently a great investment to have, to own. And if you have a business, a professional practice, dental office, vet office, medical office, if you own that real estate, it can be a great vehicle to add to your wealth and your predictable cash flow as long as you own that property. So yes, I would say if you can make that work for your practice, then do it. There's a lot of variables to look at though. And if in some people, in some locations, the real estate is too expensive to own, it's difficult to own in the location you want. In that case, leasing may be the only way to go. In that case, then you can invest in other real estate. You see, your practice building doesn't have to be the cornerstone of your real estate investment. If it works out, it's great. It's a great tangible asset to have. But if it doesn't work out because the dynamics, the demographics of the area that you decide to practice in, then don't worry about it. The time may come later when you can invest in that real estate to house your practice. In the meantime, if you're ready to invest in real estate, there are plenty of other avenues to go to be building that net worth. So don't get so focused on making something happen if the timing's not right. That's my main warning is don't try to force something to happen if it's not the right time, right place. If it is, great, add it to your arsenal. So a lot of variables. I can't go over all of them, of course, but it's something we do in Freedom Founders many times with our members in helping them analyze the actual real estate that they own, whether it's their practice building or they've made other investments. Are those actually producing the kind of returns based on risk and the future appreciation and the demographics of what they have and the time that it requires them to, quote, manage those investments? We weigh all those things, and many times we help our members make better decisions or move one investment to another or move one investment to other investments to give them a better return on both the investment itself, on the equity, and on their time. All those must be taken into consideration before just making a carte blanche. You need to do this or you need to do that. It also always has to be taken into consideration of what your specific situation is and what your goals are. Just bear that in mind. There's no easy answers. The answer usually is, it depends. Remember, always stay focused on your freedom. I'll see you next time.